Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the source and the target formats so you know what changes are required. Once done, inspect a representative sample to verify encoding, delimiters, and date conventions. This prevents surprises. Make sure to pick a conversion tool or library compatible with your environment. CLI for automation, library for code integration, or a GUI for ad hoc work. Also prepare a small test file and note field mappings. These will drive the first actionable conversions. You now implement mappings and transformations. Rename fields, cast types, and flatten or nest structures as needed. As you work, handle missing values and defaults explicitly so downstream processes aren't broken. For example, convert empty strings to null or zero where appropriate. Once mapping rules are written, run transformations on several small samples and validate schema and sample records. If results match expectations, iterate on edge cases. Otherwise, adjust rules until sample. You finish by validating the full dataset. Confirm schema compliance, row counts, and checksums, and run a few manual spot checks for critical records. Once validated, export using appropriate chunk sizes, include correct headers and encoding, and apply compression if needed. If something goes wrong, focus on one key troubleshooting tip. Compare failing rows against your mapping rules and sample file to locate mismatches or unexpected types. Then adjust transformation logic, rerun the affected chunk, and revalidate before finalizing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.